Nothing built with patience is wasted. Today we are talking about default rules versus explicit rules. An explicit rule is a rule that is clearly stated in a law, policy, or agreement. A default rule is a rule that applies automatically when no other rule has been specified. Explicit rules reflect deliberate decisions. Default rules fill gaps when no explicit instruction has been given. Many systems use default rules to maintain order in uncertain situations, but explicit rules always take priority when they exist. For example, a contract clause has specifies a payment date is a implicit rule. If the contract says nothing about timing, a legal default rule may determine when payment is due. That's the distinction.